Hi guys, Google just announced its Pixel 7 and 7 Pro at the Google I/O event, and the devices look really good. But there's a major design change from the Pixel 6 series that people aren't really talking about. But before we get into it, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't to get daily tech updates, and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So Google is finally making good-looking smartphones, which is a great improvement from the abomination they used to make. The Pixel 6 and 6 Pro were very amazing and had a totally unique design with its bold visor on the back and a two-tone color finish that gave it its unique pixel look. Now, the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro are taking the same design as the Pixel 6 series, but the camera visor is mostly aluminum instead of glass on the Pixel 6 series, with the glass being only right on top of the lenses. Now, that's not necessarily a bad thing, it just makes it look less cool compared to the design of the Pixel 6. Now, based on the reveal of the 7 and 7 Pro from Google, it looks like Google is gonna ditch the dual-tone color finish on the Pixel 7 series. At the event, Google showed the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro in white, but neither of them had the two-tone color finish that was on the Pixel 6 series, and Google has always used the two-tone color finish on its flagship devices, even the ones colored in white. So Google might be dropping the two-tone color finish on the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, which could possibly discourage a couple of fans because people have grown to like that design. Now, it's possible that this could only be on the white model and other colors are gonna use the two-tone finish. It's also possible that Google displayed a prototype at its event, but we're gonna find out pretty soon because we're gonna get more leaks as we get closer to the launch. So definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't so you don't miss it. And be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.